Welcome to the newest adventure among Amazon's marketplaces, where you will get a chance to see 13 insane gadgets that you can actually purchase. From a self-watering planter to a portable phone projector or even cat ear wireless headphones, these gadgets are sure to impress. So let's check it out. The AirUp water bottle has a unique feature that sets it apart from the rest. It allows you to flavor your water without adding any sugar or artificial sweeteners. How cool is that? You simply add a flavor pod to the cap and there you have it. You have a refreshing and delicious drink that will keep you hydrated all day long. But how good is it, actually? Well, some flavors are better than others, but don't expect a strong flavor like in flavored drinks. At the end, it only tricks your brain so that you feel like drinking a flavored drink. But the good thing is that you can choose from many different flavors, so I'm quite sure that you will find your favorite. Next up is a must-have tool for any wine lover out there. With the air pressure wine bottle opener, you can open your favorite bottle of wine in seconds without any hassle. Here's how it works. You simply insert the needle into the cork, pump a few times, and the air pressure will push the cork out of the bottle. It's that easy. Plus, it's a great conversation starter at any dinner party. So if you're a wine lover who wants to enjoy your favorite bottle of wine without any hassle, this is the tool for you. Cheers to that! This device features a unique ball return mechanism that automatically rolls the ball back to you after each successful putt. This means you can practice your putting without the hassle of constantly retrieving the ball, allowing you to focus on your technique and perfect your stroke. The trainer comes with a putting green mat that simulates the feel and texture of a real putting green, giving you a realistic putting experience. The mat measures 9 feet in length, providing ample space for you to practice your putting skills. Without the need for an external power source, the trainer is simple to use and runs on 2 AA batteries. But keep in mind that the batteries are not included. An interesting solution for clearing clogs and blockages in your sewer lines. This powerful tool delivers a concentrated blast of water to clear out even the most stubborn obstructions. The narrow nozzle design creates a focused jet of water that penetrates deep into the pipe, cutting through grease, roots, and other debris to clear the way for water to flow freely once again. I truly think that this gadget will save you time and make your life easier just because you'll have one less worry. And here is a self-watering planter. The self-watering feature eliminates the need for frequent watering, making it an ideal choice for those who are busy, forgetful, or simply want to ensure their plants thrive. The planter comes in a range of sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your space and your plants. The self-watering system works by utilizing a reservoir at the bottom of the planter. Simply fill the reservoir with water and let the planter do the rest. The soil will wick up the water as needed, ensuring that your plants always have the moisture they require to thrive. I cannot tell you how many times I wanted to have some sort of portable projector. So let me tell you about this amazing gadget. If you love watching movies or TV shows on your phone, but wish you could enjoy them on a bigger screen, this is the device for you. The portable phone projector is a small and compact device that allows you to project your phone's screen onto any flat surface. It's easy to use and doesn't require any complicated setup. Simply connect your phone to the projector using a cable or wirelessly, and you're ready to go. There are many different models, but I would not recommend the cheapest one that you find because it is the cheapest for a reason. The Universal Digital Battery Tester is a powerful and reliable tool that enables you to test the capacity and voltage of various types of batteries quickly and easily. This battery tester is designed to provide accurate and precise readings for a wide range of battery types, including alkaline, lithium, zinc carbon, and nickel cadmium batteries. With its intuitive design and easy-to-read display, this battery tester is an essential tool for anyone who needs to test the condition of batteries. If you want a present for your girlfriend, wife, or friend, then check this out. The LED cat ear wireless headphones are the perfect combination of style and functionality. These headphones are designed to provide exceptional sound quality and a unique, eye-catching appearance. These headphones also have a built-in LED lighting system. The cat ear accents light up and change colors, adding an extra pop of style to the listening experience. There are options to choose from several different lighting modes, including a solid color or a gradual color change. The built-in 400 mAh rechargeable battery can last about 7 hours of playing with LED lights. And here's the perfect solution for anyone who needs instant access to clean, refreshing water without the hassle of traditional water coolers or bulky countertop models. This sleek and compact device is designed to fit on any desktop or tabletop, making it ideal for small offices, dorm rooms, or apartments. Simply fill the Dispenser's removable water tank with your choice of tap or bottled water, and the built-in filtration system will remove impurities and ensure that your water is always fresh and clean. The electric water dispenser has a built-in, rechargeable 1200 mAh battery. When fully charged, it can last for 25 to 35 days or dispense approximately 8 bottles of 5 gallons of water. Our selection continues with moving Sandscape, which is a stunning and captivating desktop toy that creates an ever-changing and unique landscape with every turn. This fascinating piece of decor will provide you with hours of relaxation and mesmerizing entertainment. The moving Sandscape features a clear glass dome that contains a mixture of sand and water, allowing you to watch as the sand cascades and settles into various patterns. The sand is colored with vibrant hues, creating an even more captivating display as the sand shifts and moves, forming mesmerizing designs. Its clear glass dome and sleek design will go with any decor style, making it a great addition to any home or office. Get ready for a spa-like experience in your own bathroom with a turbo propeller shower head. This innovative shower head features a unique propeller design that delivers a powerful and invigorating rainfall sensation. With its unique internal structure and air intake technology, this product provides a powerful water flow even with low water pressure. The turbofan design of this shower head makes your shower experience more flexible and interesting. The pattern of the water flow is beautiful, formed with such precision that it looks like a piece of art. Installing the shower head is a breeze and can be done in minutes. The silicone nozzles are easy to clean and prevent the buildup of mineral deposits. Next, a perfect tool for capturing smooth and stable footage on your smartphone. With its advanced features and intuitive design, this gimbal is a must-have for any aspiring filmmaker or content creator. The Smooth 5 gimbal stabilizer features a powerful motor that can support smartphones up to 7.4 ounces, or about 210 grams, making it compatible with most popular smartphone models. It also has a built-in tripod that allows you to set up your shots with ease. One of the standout features of this gimbal stabilizer is its advanced object tracking technology. This allows you to track moving objects with ease, ensuring that your footage is always in focus and perfectly framed. Here is an interesting solution for protecting yourself from the rain. This innovative umbrella is designed to be worn like a backpack, leaving your hands free to carry other items or use your phone. The backpack umbrella features a sturdy and durable frame that can withstand strong winds and heavy rain. The canopy is made from high-quality waterproof material that will keep you dry even in the heaviest downpour. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos of various tech and gadget reviews. Check out this playlist of my top 10 videos, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.